guys, welcome to my video, and today we're gonna have a tutorial about Scratch. So let's get started. So this is my 10-year-old project is gonna be named Running Cat. Where it's gonna be a cat animation running. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna make a cat running, and we're gonna go by step. So let's get started. Step 1: load up. Load up your blank project. So load up your project. Before you do that, load up your project with a blank project. And yeah. Step 2. Step 2. Take block for to start running. So I'm just gonna take this space block here instead of this when the green flag clicked. And yeah. Step 3. Go for a few times. So since it's gonna be go for a few times, add this block, repeat 10, and what was it again? Repeat 10 times, and then drag the sprite right here. That's it. My mouse is moving. Your sprite is gonna be right here, and take this block, go to X and Y, and put the sprite on the other way, and take glide X and Y. So it's gonna glide through. Add this into the repeat block. Repeat. It's gonna repeat until it stops a few times. It says repeat 10 times. So it's gonna go for 10 times, and it's gonna stop right there. Next, stop right there. So yeah. Step 4, changing backgrounds. So before you do this, before you add the blocks, go to this choose a backdrop. Click on choose a backdrop. Take much as the backdrops as you can. Take backdrops whatever you want. What was again? This one. Then wall 2, and playing field. So we need the background change. The cat is going to be going, but the background will be like a change. So to do this, you need a block that change backdrops. So take this block named next backdrop, put that in, and now it changes backdrops. Step 5, running animation. So if you want to do this running animation, go to costume. You will see this running thing, like a running animation. But 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 it's gonna be like change, so it's like running. So to do this, click on next costume, and there you go. It starts animating. Step 6, running sound. So if you want the running sound, the sound one you want, go to sounds, take one sound, and take one that it's like here's like is running. So is see, we have disconnect, scribbling, scratch me, I don't know, scratchy, screen to screech. But we want the scribbling feet. And yeah, this is the exactly sound what's the running sound. So click on this. And you can see that there's the sounding. Delete the sound, remove the sound, and name it RUN, run. And yeah, there you have it. So go back to code and then go to sounds. You will see it, the sound is right here. So drag that block, put this in, and there you have it. And there you have it. You can also add the clear sound effect blocks for clear sounds, but I'm not gonna do that. But it's gonna be good. So let's test this out full screen. And there you go, you have it. Look at the runs. It's like running everywhere. And once it stops, it's gonna be like stuck right there. So yeah. You can also like, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace. Peace.